Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantech Markets for Thursday the 6th of March. We're going to move on to dollar yen now, and certainly as I said earlier, the European currencies are fairly flat, but dollar yen certainly continues to push higher with the yen weakening. This has happened overnight, and certainly in the last couple of days, there's been a strong move to the upside on this dollar yen, but it's still underneath this 102.83 resistance that has played such a big part in holding back the advance of dollar yen over the past few weeks. And you could argue that the bulls are actually having a bit of a go at it now. So the RSI is now at a 6-week high, and actually above where it has been throughout this consolidation phase. So that is certainly a positive for the bulls. But you could also say that I haven't drawn them in here, but the Bollinger Bands are still acting as resistance. The 102.82 is where the upper Bollinger Band on the two standard deviations comes in at the moment, and that may be holding it back, although you would also argue that the Bollinger Bands are becoming increasingly tight, which can often happen just before a breakout. However, this move that we've seen overnight, certainly in the last couple of days at least, has taken you from the bottom of the trading band right to the top. But it seems to be as though that resistance once more, 102.81, prices backed off from that in the last few minutes. Maybe once more that 102.83 level is acting as a bit of a barrier to the upside, and you could argue that some possibility there of a short position is. I've actually put a short position on today myself in this dollar yen chart, mainly because I like the risk reward in place, that you can put a stop nicely above that resistance at 102.83, giving you a fair amount of room to maneuver within this, because I still think that this unless you get a breakout above that 102.83 and that is confirmed, I think you're still going to be trading in this range, and until you see that breakout, you've still got to have the mentality that the range play is still the main outlook on this chart. Intraday moving averages are becoming positive, so that is certainly beneficial to the upside. But I think you would also argue that the RSI is turning over once more, which suggests maybe upside momentum is being lost. Certainly in this current test of 102.83. It's not to say that at some stage again today you won't see a retest of 102.83, but certainly I'm saying on the balance of probability that at the moment, until you see the breakout, you've still got to continue to play this trading band, and being nicely towards the highs of this trading band, I think it gives you an opportunity possibly to sell. So unless I'm seeing that upside broken, I'm going to continue to play this range. Supports you need to be watching out for: 102.55 was the breakout high intraday, and you've sort of also got a basis of support around 102.20, so that is, I think, what you need to be looking out for. Certainly if you broke back below that 102.55 level, I think you're starting to question the support, and whether this trading range is going to continue, and you could drag it back towards that 102.20 mark. So just watch out for that. But as I said, at the moment you've got to still play this range while it's intact. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading on dollar yen, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.